Hi, my name is Becky. Welcome to the beauty of symmetry in Chinese calligraphy. In this lesson, we are going to learn this character. And in modern simplified character, it's like this. It pronounced as xiàng, which means appearance. So you can look at this character. I think it's nearly the same as the modern simplified characters, right? How and why did this character means appearance? Now let's look at the history. So this was the xiàng style calligraphy, which we used in Qing dynasty, which means 2,000 years ago. Then when we look at the first generation of this character, it's more obvious. So the left part we already practiced for many times, right? The left part is for wood. And how about the right part? What do you think this part look like? It looked like eyes, the two eyes, right? So why a combination of a wood and the eyes become appearance, xiàng? That is because in the Chinese fortune telling system, in the Chinese fortune telling system, the wood symbolize for the east, and east is like the direction of luck. So in the fortune telling system, the fortune tellers can tell your fortune according to your appearance. So they will read your eyes, they will read your elbows, they will read how you look like and what your fingers look like. Then they will tell you, okay, you have a fortune of money, or you can be a beggar, or you can be a emperor or something. So they tell your fortune by the appearance of you, or you can say they observe you with their eyes and tell you your fortune. So the fortune is from the wood symbolized for the east. That's how these characters become appearance. Okay, now let's look at the four characteristics in Chinese calligraphy. The first one, symmetry. So you can see the middle line, then the left part and the right part are nearly the same size. That is symmetry. Okay, number two, average space. You can see for the left part, if we follow this line, the red part and the left part, the space are nearly the same. And for the right part of this character, we pay more attention to the space of these two parts. And these three spaces are also nearly the same. Okay, number three, thick lines. Thick lines. Thick lines is what we compare to thin lines. So thick lines, we will use about 1/5 to 1/4 of the about 5 centimeters long brush. Okay, drifting long lines. These drifting long lines. Okay, now in this part I will show you how to write this character. What is the order of this character? So as I mentioned earlier, I just show you my order. You don't really need to follow this order, but just write just try to make sure the way you're writing is look like this. But in modern writing system, we do have the order, but in old system we don't. Okay, do you still remember how to write the left part? Okay, we find the middle point here. Then we know the space. So we from here 2 strokes, and then the middle vertical line, and then the left, the right. How about this one? This one I will write according to the modern order. So this one, the modern order is like this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Of course, you can look at here. Maybe this character, the connection, it's here. So I think maybe Master Wu Rengzhi write this as one stroke. So you can also write like this, and this, and this, and this, and this. You also can write like this, 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 and this. So you just try different ways and see which is easier for you to control. Okay, now I'll show you with a brush on how to write this character. Okay, now, do you know how to write this character xiàng, which means appearance, with a Chinese calligraphy brush? And in next lesson, we are going to learn this character. This is Becky's Chinese calligraphy lesson, The Beauty of Symmetry in Chinese Calligraphy. You are welcome to share my course to your friends and family. Okay, see you in next lesson.